Smile and learn.
Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn how to multiply decimal numbers.
Decimals. Those peculiar numbers. Do they even have a point?
Yes, they do, Smiley. We can never forget about the decimal point. Knowing how to work with decimals is so useful. So, let's get started. As we already know, decimals represent a smaller part than 1. For example, 0.1 is 1/10 of 1, and 0.01 is 1/100th of 1. Look at this number. 5 is the whole number, the 7 is the decimal part, and in between is the decimal point that separates them. Multiplying decimals. There are different ways to multiply decimal numbers, and each has its own trick. Let's take a look at them. Multiplying a decimal by a whole number. To multiply a decimal number by a whole number, we do the multiplication problem as if the decimal point doesn't exist. Great! Now we have the product, but without the decimal point. To put the decimal point in the product, we count how many decimal places there are in the problem and place the decimal point so that the product has that number of decimal places. Let's count. How many decimal places does 345.82 have? 2, right? Then in the product, we will add in the decimal point so that it also has 2 decimal places, 1 and 2. Right here is where the decimal point goes. So the product of 345.82 times 6 is 2074.92. Great! Multiplying a decimal number by another decimal number. In this case, both numbers have decimals. First, we multiply as if the decimal points don't exist. Now we have the product. We count how many decimal places there are in the 2 factors of the multiplication problem. 1 and 2. Very good. In total, there are 2 decimal places. To place the decimal point in the product, we start counting the decimal places from the right. 1 and 2. We've got it! The product of 135.2 times 4.6 is 621.92. Multiplying a decimal number by 10, 100, or 1000. This is the easiest and fastest way. Just move the decimal point to the right as many places as there are zeros in the number. What if there aren't enough digits? No problem, just add zeros. For example, 24.2 times 10 equals 242 because all we have to do is move the decimal point 1 place to the right, since 10 only has 1 zero. If we want to multiply 24.2 by 100, we have to move the decimal point 2 places, because 100 has 2 zeros. So, we add a 0 to the product, since we don't have enough digits to move the decimal point 2 places. 24.2 times 100 is 2,420. Let's move on to the last example. To calculate 24.2 times 1,000, we have to move the decimal point over 3 places. Since we don't have enough digits to move it 3 places to the right, we add 2 zeros to our number. Great! The product is 24,200. Excellent work! Now you know how to solve multiplication problems with decimals. Remember, the secret is to place the decimal point correctly in each operation.
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.